Hey guys, what's happening? How to recover deleted spam mail in Gmail. So one of the ways to actually do that, open up your Gmail, hit the three bars at the top left. Under spam, you're gonna find trash. Press it. If you find your email, what you're gonna do, just go ahead and hold your email. Hit the three dots at the top right, and press the first option, move to, and we're gonna move it to our inbox. All right. Another way of doing it, what you're gonna do, go back to your screen, go ahead to your browser and search for Gmail Recovery Message Tool or Gmail Message Recovery Tool. I'm gonna hit the first result, okay, and sign in with your email with your Gmail in question, right, and continue with the process. Right? And they're gonna check if you have an email, right, or a Gmail that's within the 30-day limit, right? And it says right here, unfortunately, your missing emails were permanently deleted and we can't get them back. But don't worry, if it's within the 30-day parameter, you're gonna be able to recover it, and they will send it automatically to your Gmail. Right? So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.